Hey, my name is Jonathan with Driving Academy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to add doubles and triples endorsements to your CDL license. So doubles and triple endorsement is only valid if you have yourself a CDL Class A license, because that gives you the ability to transport 2 to 3 trailers at the same time. If you have yourself a CDL Class B license, you cannot get a doubles and triple endorsement because simply you can't transport trailers, and which means you can't transport 2 or 3 of the things you can't transport in the first place. So it doesn't make sense. So if you have yourself a CDL Class A license and you want to be able to transport 2 to 3 trailers at the same time, that looks something like this. So you can work for companies like FedEx or different mail companies. You can see them up and down the turnpikes of New Jersey itself. Usually you'll see doubles itself, you won't really see triples. Or if you go way down under, by down under I mean Australia, you're going to be able to see a truck that looks like this. I think this truck has like 8 or 9 trailers. But something like this only transports in the desert itself. It's not really in the city or in the highway, and trying to make a U-turn on this thing is just impossible. So that's just for some fun facts for you. If you get yourself a doubles and triple endorsement and that's your goal, pretty simple process. All you have to do, go to your local DMV, purchase yourself a CDL permit, just tell them that you want to add an endorsement to your license. From there, you're going to have to go and take a 25-question written exam. All you need is 80% correct out of those 25 questions, and you now have a doubles and triples endorsement. The cool thing about the doubles and triples endorsement is that this thing lasts a lifetime. So all you have to do is pay for it once, and you're ready to take it, and you're ready to have it for the rest of your life. Now the biggest difference when it comes to doubles and triple endorsement and normal driving is, of course, you have multiple trailers that you're worrying about, which means when you're making turns, you have to go extra wide. When you're backing up, it's virtually impossible to back up those things unless you're extremely skilled and have a whole lot of practice with them. And the other thing is how to handle the dollies and how to actually hook up 2 to 3 trailers at the same time. So these are all different types of questions that are going to be asked of you when you take the doubles and triples and endorsement quiz for your CDL permit itself. So once you pass that quiz, then you're ready to rock and roll. If you're going for the CDL license the first time, this is a cool endorsement that I usually recommend students, where if they feel like it, hey, just add on to it. It's just a 25-question test. If you pass it, you have something that's on your license for the rest of your life. Me personally, I passed it the first time. I've never driven doubles and triples. It would be a cool experience one day, I guess, but it's something that I legally can drive since I passed the test once. So that being said, if you want information on how to add a doubles and triple endorsement to your license, or maybe you're getting the license for the very first time, you want to give us a call, 908-525-3609. We're located in Linden, New Jersey, and we're here to help you with any type of CDL goal that you're after. Here at Driving Academy, we can help you get the doubles and triples endorsement. We can help you get yourself a normal CDL Class B license. We can help you get a normal CDL Class A license, or maybe you just want a friend. If you want somebody to talk to as a friend, give us a call, 908-525-3609. If you take too much of our team's time, though, I'm going to have them cut the call on you because we're very busy. Our goal is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom, and we can't do that if we're spending too much time with one person who doesn't really want to get their CDL license or get on the road to freedom. That being said, the best thing for you to do if you want more information, take a virtual school tour at cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. It's going to be about 20 minutes long. It's going to break down each one of the courses that we do have to offer for you, and it's going to give you a very, very special discount, or incentive, I should say, if you choose to sign up right away. So one more time, give us a call, 908-525-3609, or take a virtual school tour at cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. If you're interested in getting yourself a doubles and triple endorsement or any type of CDL at any time, you know exactly what to do. Hope to get you on the road to freedom pretty soon, and maybe freedom equals a doubles and triple endorsement for you. Thanks. Have a good day.